at Whittier Narrows Nature Center, and today we are doing a geocaching adventure. And the first cache is called Not for the Birds Cache. We're 18 yards away.
What?
18 yards.
Yards? How long is 1 yard? 3 yards is one.
No. 1 yard is 3 feet.
I have it back.
No.
We're at Whittier Narrows Whittier Narrows Nature Center, and today we are going on a I know. We're at Whittier Narrows Nature Center, and today we are going to catch some Pokemon. Just kidding. We're going on another geocaching adventure, and this is called Not for the Birds Cache.
Let's go.
Why are we more and more away? I see.
Yeah, the arrow's pointing.
Oh, I don't feel like going to the wilderness.
The what?
What about the next cache? It's on the trail.
The other one? Let me see if it's around here.
Makes sound too when you're lost.
We didn't really know the exact.
Okay. Okay.
Then you want to go down first?
Okay.
We're gonna find a cache.
And
We're going to find a cache called Al Natural. We're 114 yards away.
okay.
Green like this.
Mama.
You want to see?
Whoa. Oh wait, look, that's number 11. Oh, hey.
How far?
11 to 9 to 8.
How far are we from the cache?
58 yards. 62. We're going further because it was back there, but we have to follow the trail. So. No, 63. We're going further. It's back there, but the trail leads. So just turn it off. Hey! Stop it! I stop it!
Are we doing backwards?
We're 70 yards away, but it's because the trail.
7,
Okay.
and then 6. 5, 4, 3,
Oh,
2,
whoa,
1.
98 yards.
And then you go blast off.
It's a lot prickly.
No, it's still. Prickly pear.
Ah.
Oh, what's that? Oh. Wait, no, that's D.
Letter D.
Follow me. Okay, 47 yards. We're almost there. Oh, at first I thought that was a bug. I just 20. We're almost there.
So number 6 is missing.
Or number 9. Okay, so we're around ground zero. 1 yard.
I'm pretty sure it's home.
Be careful, don't get poked. So look for 2. Don't touch it. Okay?
Yeah, I think it's this area.
Stump. Look around the stump.
Under, around, behind. There's a little hole inside the stump.
There's $1 in it.
Go.
I wonder if they're geocachers or muggles. Oh, wait, what? What's he doing?
So what were they?
I think they were muggles, but...
No, you missed it.
1. Where did the $1
Go.
We are at the Whittier Narrows Nature Center.
Did you guys always clean your hands? The sanitizers?
A Tyrannosaurus Rex will not try to leave you alive.
Do you have any spiders here? Seashells.
You touch it.
Is this snake?
Look at the skin. You close, you're getting big, it's kind of like that.
Do little animals have a museum on human clothes?
Use the bathroom. Anybody else?
Oh look, there's a snake sticking its head out.
Where?
Oh look, there's a snake hiding there also. Nelly, look, see?
Yeah, that was playing hide and seek.
Ah! I'm gonna touch it. Here, do you want me to lift you up so you can feel the air? Because over here you can. Okay, you ready? No, you just have to put my hat. I can't do it with my. Okay, are you ready? You set? Ah! Tell me when you're done. I want to do it for my. Okay. 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 Keep me up. Let's stay finger for 0. Has not been observed at Whittier Narrows. It's found in the local center.
Look! Turtle's still eating Titanic. Look at all the veggies.
Oh, boy.
This turtle loves the salad. He's still eating it. You see salad in his mouth?
I see the turtle.